How to back up your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open your setting and then select the account and backup. Then here you can see the backup data. Select this one. Now select which one you want to take backup. Suppose I don't want to setting, calendar, okay, and once done, press on backup now. Now it will take backup data 96. It's depend on your total data size. And once complete, just go back, and if you want to restore your phone with a backup data, then press on restore data. Then you from here you can restore it. And if you want to take backup with Google Drive, then here is the Google Drive. Press on backup data. Then you have to set up a phone or actually, and once you confirm, then it will take your Google backup actually as well. And if you want to take backup with Samsung Cloud, you can also do it from here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.